Okay guys, we're going to start this one off at the Rialto. Rialto, whichever. Yeah. Great little hotel if you want to be not out to Benidorm but down on the English side. Painting going there. Just up the hill a little bit. Right, we're going to carry on down a bit and see what we can find. Still back on the old stomping ground today. Trying to see what's changed over here, if anything. I don't think much will change on this video. Remember the floods we had? This is where all the water come down. And dries about in the morning after. Yeah, I did make a video on that. If you can check that out. Levante Beach apartments over there. I think Bill and Ben are stopping at the moment. I don't know if they brought weed. Smells like it though. And you got we'll get round there, Levante Club over there. Apart hotel. That's an hard one. Yeah, so I take it they're apartments with hotel features. Nothing included, and you buy it all after. Is that the way it works?
I don't even know.
Not sure guys. Let me know if you stop there. I haven't done these for a while, so okay, this is a good little area down here for drinking and stuff. If you don't want to go into Benidorm, down on the strip. Got the White Horse there. There is the White Horse. Back standing up there. I saw at one point these got broke. Maybe they're not the same ones, but so I got Vincent's Corner pub there. I'm going to have a look, see if that's all what it was. What is it?
Because they knew it was a thing. No, I think it was Vincent's.
Was Vincent's? I think it's all part of the same thing. Let's have a look. Good breakfast in there anyway when we were up here. There we go guys. I think somebody might have bought both of them out. I'm not sure. Get the name. Or they just done them up.
Just done them up, I think.
So it used to be a karaoke bar, I think it still is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Triangle there. Yeah, that got a little bit flooded out when we had the floods. Shows how long it's been since I've been down here. Up Benidorm. There's the new block that's going up. I wonder if that's up to the full height now. Apparently there's a swimming pool down the bottom. Cross over and have a look at Port Benidorm. Trying to stop out the wind for you guys. There's Port Benidorm. Let's have a look and see if we can get up the top. Yeah, I think that's going to be about the full build now. Once they've finished it. The height wise, I don't think it's going to go any higher than that. So the scooter bar at the front, a lot of companies won't let you have scooters there. Obviously some will, because obviously they've got a fence. Keep your scooter in there. It's open to the public. There are charging points down there. Amigos, well, that's the main one. Around this end, that's usually the one that's got the hotels stone up. There's the reception. You come on it, yeah. Dining room on the first floor there. One problem with this place, I don't think it's all rooms, I think it's just specialist rooms. See-through toilet.
I honestly don't know.
So I'm told it's here in Port Benidorm. In your room there's a see-through toilet. So if you're stopping with your family, maybe a teenager or something, yeah, not going to be good, is it? I'll take it specialist room and you've got to ask for that room. I don't know. But yeah, very nice hotel. Would be something to check if you come into Port Benidorm. It's just like glass around the toilet unit. I think I need to go any further, do I? Great place to stay though, because you've got the beach just down there. See the sea at the bottom. 2-minute walk to the sea. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope a little bit better this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's another video coming up in the card if you want to watch that one next. You want to see more from Benidorm. See you over there in a minute. Bye.